2024 Bowman Mixer 2-box. Pick your team number.
Pick your team.
Number 5. Johnny 5 Alive. That's a movie you haven't seen.
I have seen that.
No way. There's
You
no
got
way.
so excited.
There's no way he's seen that.
You were like, damn, bro. What a great film. What a great film. How about that? Right off the bat. Miles. Miles. Wipe those tears away, baby. You're
Miles,
a hitter.
You're a hitter.
You're a hitter.
Short circuit.
You're
hell
a
yes.
hitter.
Johnny 5 Alive.
All
Alright, I'll be back.
right.
I eat this real quick.
Enjoy your lettuce crap. Let us pray for you and that sandwich.
Let us pray for the lettuce that I'm about to eat.
Yeah. Carter Johnson. That is sick. These are really tough to hit. Who's got the Cubs? Higgins. How about the Cam Smith variation? These are so tough to hit. Those are very, very tough to hit. Adolfo Sanchez, 200 for the Reds. Really, how long have they been doing those? What? Variations? A while. They've been doing variations for quite a while, I think. Like a number of years. That's nice. Who's got the Royals? Liberty Kid, very nice. Very nice, Liberty Kid. Like, would Mookie have one? No, 2013, there was no variations yet. I'm trying to think of, like, the earliest ones. Maybe, like, 16 or 17. Mookie was 14. 2014 Bowman. Austin Bateman. Austin Bateman for the Padres. Padres is Chad. I've hit so much Christian Moore. I've hit 2 of his black autos to 10. I've hit so many Christian Moores. Alright, let's keep going. Ethan Anderson for the Orioles to $4.99. Drew Beam. Bazana Refractor. That's a rose gold to 10, folks. Rose gold to 10. Good luck. Chase Harlan for the Dodgers and CT Honda. CT Honda on the Harlan 10 of 10. Rose gold, very nice. Alright, one more pack. Should have an auto. Might be a color auto. We've hit 2 base autos, so we'll see in a second here. Alright, let's see what it is. No way. It's an Under Armour auto? Or it might be a... No way. Let's see what we got here. It's Bonham for the White Sox. And there's a base auto behind it of Seaver King. Wow. White Sox, Just Greg, and Nationals, Tommy Boy. Nice pack. It's a $199 on the Bonham. Both boxes with extra autos. All right, Bowman's best. Here is the best. Bowman's best. Here we go. Max Clark die cut. Ezekiel Duran shot by the kid. Henry Davis. Diamond of Vladdy to 250 for the Blue Jays. The purple. That's a nice auto there for the Padres. San Diego Padres, Chad. Very nice on the Leo DeVry. Leo DeVry on the Shimmer. Ellie Refractor. That's nice. To 250 on-card Jordan Lawler, shot by the kid. For the D-backs, Johnny Baseball, very nice. Nice box right here. Caglione Refractor. These mixers have had some nice little hits. Judge to 199 for the Yanks. Flowmaster, very nice. Ozzy Albies die cut. Nice auto here for the Braves. Perdomo. Josh Hendy. Acuna gold to 50 for the Braves, Josh. Very nice. Very nice, Josh. We have a gold auto here. It's Enrique Bradfield for the Orioles. And B-More. Very nice. Nice two-boxer, guys. Let's do a recap. Here is your recap. DeVry, Lawler, Perdomo, Bradfield gold. Here's a draft box. Purple Cags, Harlan 10 of 10, Cam Smith variation. I'll beat the sort on that. Ooh. Aiden May, Bateman, very nice Seaver King, and Bonnemer to 199. That was the Bowman Mixer 2-box PYT number 5. Thanks, guys.